ready to jumpstart your summer goals. Joining hundreds and hundreds who have leapt and losing weight just in time to greet the summer they've been dreaming of. Join the all-new Jumpstart Your Weight Loss.
I have had a great week. I can eat the food easily and prep what I like following the recipes. I have energy and no joint pain. So crazy and amazing to find this easy-to-implement plan has already been an answer to my overall health going forward. I feel so much more in control of my pain and energy.
The 14-day journey begins May 13th. Get our special offer today for a limited time only. Sign up at divinefarmerhealth.com.